Get this thing situated, and away we go. I'm gonna try to get that bottle real quick. I would tell y'all this is my first time doing this, but I did this the other day. Right now I'm trying to get to the shore to get this bottle up over here. Leave no trash behind. That's just gross. Of course, I'm on your line.
No, my line's good.
Yeah, we get just close enough to put this on the dock. I can't believe how much shit people leave in the nature. Take care. One piece of trash rescued and a small journey beginning. Let's see what way I can see on here. I think that looks pretty good. We'll find out when I see the footage. Kind of regretting going over this stuff. Still looks neat though. See how close in I can get before I have to turn. Because I should be able to get to the pond on the other side. All depends upon if that branch is covering it or not. Plus, I can't wait to turn around and see what mess I made out of all this green stuff. Now the branches are completely covering that. I'm just going to turn around. It's not very deep here either. And it smells bad. I don't know what I hit, but that stopped me dead in my tracks. Well, I can see what way I came. Probably play back some of this video at high speed as a joke. Bunch of branches and stuff under the water here. This is only a couple feet deep. It's all stagnant, smells bad. It'll make a cute little video. I think that's enough of that for now. I know I didn't show the whole trip, but I made it from boat launch 2 to boat launch 3. And now I'm going to attempt to get out. And I'll finish the journey later. But for right now, think I'm doing pretty good. Ooh, wet foot. Gonna have wet ass in a second here. Ha! Whew! I survived that part. Getting back in is gonna suck, but hey. I made it this far. Oh, missed it. No luck? So the last couple people said there. So that's what the last couple people said, that there were there. No luck. Yeah. Every time I've ever fished here, I didn't get nothing. Yeah. Well, that's it.